glance at you hiding in a cave. Visions blurring out behind your window pane. You're feeling out the waves, you're feeling out the waves. I'll pull you closer till the tears have left your face. No, you can't pull me down. I'm tempered by the flame, I hold you tightly now. Let's just watch the evening rain. I know you're hurting, yeah, I feel it every day. I want you to know that I love you either way. Now let's just watch the evening rain, and I swear you'll be okay. No, you can't pull me down. Tempered by the flame, I hold you tightly now, and I love you either way.